Hello my dear friends, in this video we will going to learn numerical which is related to Kaplan equation. That is what is given, we evaluate, we have to determine what is that, we have to determine HFG, not this one, this is your HFG subscript. HFG, that means latent heat of vaporization. You calculate of a substance from the PVT data. So what is that? According to question is given that using the Kaplan equation, estimate the value of enthalpy of vaporization of refrigerant R134A at 20 degrees centigrade and compare it with the tabulated value, and compare also what is the value at 20 degree, what is the HFG. So from table, so if you see from table, what is table R134A, so HFG at 20 degree is approximately 182.27 kilojoule per kg, right? So this is your from table. Now we have to also calculate using Kaplan equation. So what is your Kaplan equation? What is the Kaplan equation? The slope, that means Kaplan equation. So dp over dt at saturation is what? HFG divided by T of saturation Vg minus Vf, right? So first of all calculate what is Vg minus Vf. So Vg minus Vf at 20 degrees centigrade. So this is your how much? This is your approximately 0.035969 minus 0.000861. So if you calculate it, 0.03515 meter cube per kg. This is your Vg minus Vf. Now then if you have done this Vg minus Vf, now what is this? So dp over dt saturation at 20 degrees centigrade, we can approximate written like that, delta p over delta t of saturation at 20 degrees centigrade. So by the interpolation, P of saturation at 24 degrees centigrade, P of saturation at 16 degrees centigrade divided by 24 degrees centigrade minus 16 degrees centigrade, right? So if you put this value, saturation pressure at 24 degrees centigrade, so it is your 646.18 minus P saturation 16 degrees centigrade 504.58 divided by 24 minus 16, so this is your 17.7 kilopascal per Kelvin, right? So you have done it, dou P over dou T, and T saturated, what is that? This is what? This is your, what is the T saturation? The T saturation is your 20 degree centigrade, I think. This is your 20 degree centigrade, right? So put all this value, 20 degree centigrade plus 273, always put in Kelvin, always Kelvin. Now, so what is HFG? So HFG is equal to T of saturation VFG dP by dt of saturation. So what is T? 293.15 Kelvin. What is V? 0.035153 specific volume. What is this one? 17.7. If you calculate all this value, this is your surprising. This is your 128.4 kilojoule per kg, right? So, and what is the calculation from table? 182 point, approximately 182.3. This is 182.3 approximately, and this is, if you calculate, 182.4. So the tabulated value is at HFG at 20 degree centigrade is 182.27 kilojoule per kg. The small difference between these two value is due to the approximation used in determining the slope of the saturation curve at 20 degree. So this is the approximation. So this is the approximation now. This is your approximation. Your interpolation, 24 degree minus 16 degree, in between 20 degree there is 16 degree and 24 degree we take, and if you calculate this value, due to this factor there is a little bit difference, so there is no any difference. So from this equation we calculate also, without the help of the table, we can also calculate HFG. Why? Because already told that temperature, pressure, volume, these all are directly seen from the table, yeah, relationship PV equal to MRT, but there is no any relation between HFG, SFG, UFG. So one relation there is a HFG, which is derived by the Clausius-Clapeyron equation. Okay, thank you very much.